Hello, this is Invest Library, and for this video, ipapakita namin ang proseso about Landbank online enrollment and registration.
If you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. There are two ways para ma-access mo yung website on how to create an online account. First, you may go to landbank.com and then choose this iAccess. And ito yung page. Or, pwede ka na dumiretso sa page na to by typing this address. That's www.lbpiaccess.com. Then, click this Enroll Now. Ito yung mga terms and conditions. Scroll down lang tayo. And then, here, hindi mo na kailangang i-sign. Hindi rin kasi siya possible. So, instead, click this I agree button. For ATM account number, nasa ATM mo lang to. So, just get this number and then type it here. Reminder na dapat walang spaces. For PIN, ito yung PIN na sinet mo sa ATM mo. Ingat lang sa pag-enter ng PIN code. Medyo rumbled kasi yung number dito. Next is for JAI. Again, what is JAI? If I click this, ito yung old version ng Landbank ATM. So, search na lang natin kung ano yung JAI. JAI means Joint Account Indicator. Kung single or individual yung account, it should be 0. Kung joint naman, either 1 or 2. So, individual yung account ko, so I'll just enter 0. Then, the next step is to enter my personal details. So, I'll just enter my first name, middle name, last name, mother's maiden name. Yung may mga asterisk na red, like this, required siya. Kung walang asterisk, like spouse full name, gender, TIN, pwede mong i-leave to
As NA.
Lalagyan ko na din siya ng details. Then, enter the complete address, followed by information. Una, yung email address. By the way, kung wala ka pang email address, pwede kang gumawa sa Gmail account. And then, enter the alternate email address. Kung sakaling magka-problema yung account mo, pwede mo magamit yung alternate email address nga. So, dito, ilalagay ko yung isa ko pang email address. Then, enter the mobile number. Then, set up ko yung security question. Importante yung security question and answer. Ikaw yung mamimili ng tanong and tatandaan mo lang yung sagot na i-enter mo dito. Dapat memorize mo to. And then enter your user ID or iAccess ID. Wag mo rin ito kakalimutan kasi ito yung gagamitin mong pang login sa online account mo sa Landbank. Then check the CAPTCHA and pass the challenge. By the way, ang purpose ng CAPTCHA is to ensure na hindi ka robot or totoong tao yung nag-create na account. Then, click this submit button. Sa pop-up message, ipapakita ko may mali sa pag-setup mo ng account. Dito, kailangan ko daw ulitin yung answer ko sa question 1. So, click OK. Then, itama ko lang to and click submit ulit. So, ulitin ko lang this time, the answer naman for question number 2. And also, sa third question na din. And click submit. Sa next page, review all this information. And kung tama lahat, click confirm. And click OK once again. Then, nakapag-register na tayo. Pero kailangan pa natin hintayin yung approval from Landbank. So, the next step is to check your email for the activation link. Sa case ko, umabot ng 3 banking days bago ko na-receive yung activation link. So, open ko yung email account ko sa Gmail. Then, here's the email from Landbank. And ito na yung activation link. So, click ko to. So, kailangan kong i-enter yung PIN. If I'll check my email, ito yung PIN code. Pero obviously, expired na to. So, kailangan kong i-regenerate yung PIN. So, to do that, enter ko lang yung iAccess ID ko dito. And then, click this, regenerate OTP. May receive mo yung OTP sa email mo. Ito yung na-receive ko na email and here's the OTP. I-copy ko lang to and then enter ko sa activation code. Then here, kailangan mo nang i-set up yung password mo. Para ma-set up yung password, kailangan mo munang sagutan yung challenge question. And then, i-nominate ko lang or i-create ko yung password na gusto ko. And click confirm. And ito na yung confirmation message. Meron na tayong Landbank Internet Banking account. Dito, pwede ko nang makita yung account ko online, magbayad ng bills online. So, let's try to log in. So, enter ko lang yung IACCESS ID and password. So, after makapag-login, check ko muna itong account summary ko. Okay naman siya. I-check ko na rin yung statement of account or yung mga previous transaction. And ito na rin siya. So, that's it. Nakapag-create na tayo ng online banking account with Landbank. Marami pang features dito like bills payment, reporting of lost or stolen card, housing calculator, and more. Sa mga next videos namin, i-explore namin itong mga features na to. So, please subscribe para maging updated ka sa mga upcoming videos. And this is Lulu from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!